Welcome to Bold Story Press and Xander Press's Converting to a Professional Facebook Account video. Converting to a professional Facebook account gives you access to extra tools that help you expand and analyze your audience. You can also schedule content to be posted in the future with a professional account. To convert to a professional Facebook account, click Menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click the box that says Public Presence under the Professional Access heading. Click Use Professional Mode. Facebook will show you an overview of the benefits of switching to a professional account. You can click Learn More to learn more about the features. Click Turn On. Click Next, then Next again. Here you can choose your default audience. The options are Public, Friends, and Custom. Public will allow you to reach the most people. I will choose Public, then click Next, then click Confirm. Here you can read about the monetization tools of a professional account. Click Next, then click Next. Now click Go to Professional Dashboard. Here you can select a focus or a goal for the week. I will select Get a Quick Start on Facebook and click Update. Below, Facebook will provide a list of tasks you can complete to reach that goal. Click the back arrow at the top left of your screen to return to your professional dashboard. I will now switch to Bold Story Press's Facebook account to show you what your insights will look like once you begin posting on your account. On the home page of your professional dashboard, you can see number of views, engagement, and total followers. If you click into one of your posts under Content, you can see the number of likes, comments, forwards, and saves your post has received. This information helps you see which posts are your strongest. Click the back arrow at the top left. Under Monetization, you can learn about the ways you can make money on Facebook. At the top right of your professional dashboard, you can click the magnifying glass to search the tools in your professional account. You can also read the support articles below to learn more.